Here at Motability Ireland, we are proud to announce that we have 15 vehicles going to an essential service. 7 Volkswagen Caddies and 8 Ford Customs. All vehicles expertly converted by ourselves. We offer a multitude of services, from vehicle sales, vehicle adaptations and many, many more. For inquiries big or small, we are proud to say we can cater for them all. Get in contact today on 018 359 173. We look forward to hearing from you.